Hello, today we will guide you through how to send multiple photos on Gmail. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you are signed in and on the main mail screen before moving on. This is where you will begin creating the email that will hold your photo attachments. Once you are in your inbox, look to the top left area of the screen and click Compose. This opens a new message window where you can prepare your email. If the Compose box appears in the corner of the screen, that is completely normal. You can continue working from there. Next, find the Attach File icon in the Compose window and click it. This is usually shown as a small paperclip. Clicking this button opens your computer's file browser so you can choose the images you want to send. This is the step that allows you to add multiple photos from your device directly into the email. When the file browser opens, browse to the folder that contains the sample photos or the images you want to send. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct location. If you are selecting multiple photos, it can help to review the file names or thumbnails before continuing, so you know you are attaching the right images. After selecting the photos, click Open. Gmail will then begin uploading the files into your message. Depending on the size and number of the photos, this may take a few seconds. It is a good idea to wait until the upload finishes before doing anything else, so all of your images are properly attached. You should be able to see the attached files appear in the Compose window once the upload is complete. Once that is done, click Save. This keeps your progress in place after the photos have been attached. Saving can be helpful if you are not ready to send the email immediately, or if you want to come back and review everything before sending. It is always worth checking that all selected photos appear correctly before closing the message window. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of opening Gmail, starting a new message, attaching multiple photos, and saving your progress. If needed, you can return to the draft later to add a recipient, include a subject line, or send the email when you are ready. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you send multiple photos on Gmail with confidence.